how to stop auto delete apps from uninstalling on iPhone. Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to stop auto deleting apps from uninstalling on iPhone. If you have any unused applications on your iPhone, a cloud sign might appear on the app. It will indicate that the app is unused and has been removed from the iPhone. Offloading the app will keep your data, but removing the app makes space in your phone. To use the app, you will need to reinstall the app. To stop automatic offloading in your iPhone, open the Settings app. Now, scroll down and find the Apps option. Then, tap on it and select App Store. After that, locate the Offload Unused Apps option. If this option is enabled in your phone, then hit the toggle button to disable this option. Your iPhone will never offload the app, no matter when you have used the app last time. In this way, iPhone will not offload your apps automatically. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you at the next one.